Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I'm going to share some ideas on how to handle hypocrisy in yourself and in others. So please keep watching. Here we go. People are hypocritical in three ways. Number one, they have higher standards for those whom they dislike and lower standards for whom they like. Number two, they fail to live according to their own beliefs. Number three, they fail to see contradictions in behavior of other people with high status. When you want to live a life of integrity, you should regularly examine your own inconsistencies without excuses. By facing your own hypocrisy, you begin to grow beyond it. When you recognize hypocrisy in others, especially those of status, they are less likely to manipulate you. So, to reduce hypocrisy in yourself, begin to notice situations in which you expect more from others than you do from yourself. Do you expect more from your spouse, co-workers, subordinates, and children? Make a list of beliefs that seem important to you. Then identify situations in which your behavior is inconsistent with those beliefs. To notice hypocrisy in others, observe the people around you. Begin to analyze the extent to which they say one thing and do another. Compare their words to their deeds. What problems are caused by their hypocrisy? So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then you could do 4 things. Hit the thumbs up button. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can go to my site www.RajivKumarLuv.com and check out the trainings I have to offer. Lastly, share it with anyone you think would find it useful too. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, go out and test these ideas on how to handle hypocrisy in yourself and others. Bye bye.